Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use command line help in Google Cloud CLI to do what you need to do. You don't even have to Google things to get things done. If you do like the videos, please like and subscribe. That really helps me out. So I'm just going to do the demo now. The command to run Google Cloud CLI is gcloud. I do -H to get overall help. It tells me I need to choose one of these groups. So in my case, I'm just going to use containers because that's the name for the service for DKE containers. Container, and then do -H again to see what's next. It's telling me I need to use one of these options. So in my case, I want to use clusters because I want to create a cluster. Clusters -H again for help. And now it's telling me I can create list, whatever. So I'm going to do a list, and I should not have anything right now. And there it is. There's no cluster present right now. So I'm going to create one. Once again, I'm going to do create -H to get help. Give me all these options. Looks like the name is what I need to give it. So I'm going to say, okay, the name of the cluster is foo. And see what happens. And it's going to create the cluster. It's not complaining anymore. So it's going to take a good 6 to 8 minutes for the cluster to be created. By default, it uses 3 nodes. Just you saw how I used just the command line help to get what I needed to do, to get the information I needed to do what I needed to do. I hope this was useful to you, and we will see you next time.